So Bright Futures operates programs across 12 countries, but their financial data lives in Business Central as their ERP system. So think of incoming funds from their donors, expenses that they incur, as well as any disbursements that they send to their partners. And their programmatic data lives in Salesforce and AMP Impact. So it has all of the information around the risks and the outcomes and outputs, indicator results, as well as any planning of the expenditures for those projects and programs. But these two systems, they don't meet. And a multi-year project called Skills Academy is in implementation right now. Leadership is heading into their quarter 2 board meeting with no clear picture of what is on track, what is at risk, and where to reallocate. So pulling a portfolio view currently takes two analysts 3 days, and let's see how they use Claude tools instead to get this done. So first we look at a rather simple conversation with Claude Chat. Claude Chat is like a quick query layer. You ask once and Claude connects live to your program management system and ERP tool, and it gets the reconciled answer on the spot. So here we can see that a user at Bright Futures enters a prompt such as check the actual expenses incurred for Skills Academy in Business Central, ensure the progress against planned expenses. So Claude goes straight into AMP Impact, resolves the project by name, pulls the full planned budget across all categories and subcategories. You can notice how AMP is also, when we see the final results, you'll see that it also identifies gap. That is, there are no actuals being captured in Salesforce or AMP Impact. Simultaneously, Claude is also hitting Business Central and pulling every posted invoice and credit memo for this project. It's mapping the raw GL account codes to the same budget categories in Salesforce, and then it's reconciling all of that information. This task usually takes a finance officer half a day. So once Claude has done its pulling of query, you'll notice that it renders the information in the format of an interactive dashboards. So we will very shortly see KPI cards, progress bars, variance flags, and all of this will be visible directly inside the chat itself. So what you're seeing right now is a widget view that is available within the Claude chat, and you could also have an downloadable HTML version that you can use. But here now we can see how there's an overall burn rate of 60%. Clearly, air travel is insanely high, and probably that's a flag that needs an immediate explanation. Personnel also looks severely underspent. So now Claude is actually also flagging that this could be a GL miscoding and not an actual underspend, which means that it could also probably help you find any data discrepancies.